How to create a morning ritual for great success in life. What you do in the morning has a huge impact on the rest of the day. This is a little like the appetizer that will set your mood and that will set the tone for the day to come. If your morning starts with you leaping out of bed late and then rushing out the door, chances are you're going to feel exhausted and stressed. If your day starts with you knocking it out of the park, you'll feel confident and on top of the world. Listen up, and we'll go over a few steps that should feature in any morning ritual. Wake up at least 2 hours before you need to. The first tip is to wake up at least 2 hours before you need to. Too often, we'll wake up as late as possible for the day ahead, which accomplishes nothing other than to force us to rush out the door in a fluster. It's no surprise we end up looking scruffy and often forgetting important things that we need. Wake up 2 hours before you need to, and you can take it slow in order to really enjoy your day. Pandiculate. Not heard the term? Pandiculation is what cats and dogs do when they wake up from sleep. It's a kind of stretch that involves contracting the muscles and then lengthening them. This helps to reconnect the body to the sensory motor cortex, thereby giving you back full control over your body. This is why animals don't need to stretch or warm up before going for a run, and it's highly invigorating. Work out. Nearly every highly successful individual will tell you that they train and work out before they start their day. This is a valuable strategy for building immense energy and a sense of accomplishment, and of course, it will improve your health. Don't have time? Don't worry. Just 5 minutes of training is enough to have benefit and get the blood pumping. You can do your full workout later. Cold shower. Taking a cold shower will increase adrenaline and testosterone. It will help to wake you up via the mammalian splash reflex, and it will train your discipline and motivation. It's not pleasant, but that's kind of the point. Meditate. Just as many highly successful people say they train first thing in the morning, even more of them claim to meditate. You should too.